Alright, you guys, welcome back. Today, I went to Walmart again, and I found the Supreme Slammer, guys, 2026 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Part of the Snack Pack series. Crushed car, we don't care about that. Of course, the back. Okay, all I need is Helichopper, Sneakerhead, Great Bite, which that's a really nice one. I need the 5-alarm, and I need a normal Mega Rex. Name: Supreme Slammer, Truck Type, Pickup, Strength, Slurps a lot, Crash Attack, Ramen. That does not make sense. Like, Ramen? It kind of does, but not fully. You know what I mean. Without further ado, let's crack this one open. Alright. Oh, okay. This is a nice one. Okay, there's a soup on the side, the ramen. The cat since 1968. It's up here too, the cat. Slurping noodles. Like a light yellow windshield. Chrome motor. Supreme Slammer. Chrome front with the Hot Wheels logo. Like a... Does the roll cage have metal flake? It does. A gold metal flake roll cage. An egg with chopsticks. Supreme Slammer. Hot Wheels. It has taillight printing as a noodle and then little bumper printing. Dark red rims and beadlocks, black tires, black chassis. Pretty cool. I like this little casting. Alright, guys, so that's all oh, and then this little motor. The battery, I think that's what that is. I think. Like, subscribe, comment, share, that's all I got today. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out.